Since December of 2022, Bitcoin is up 70%. One particular trader called the Bitcoin turnaround this past December. What we've seen happen here the last 3 months has been pretty crazy, and it's been pretty Bitcoin dominant. We've seen a lot of money shuffle into Bitcoin with banks collapsing, with inflation continuing to get worse. Remember, this is why Bitcoin was built coming out of the 2008 banking crisis. They wanted a hedge, some type of hedge against inflation. Of course, we've had gold for a long time, but slowly but surely we need something else. We're moving in the digital age. Here comes Bitcoin. Now, the same trader who called the Bitcoin turnaround reveals another price target for Bitcoin, this time for December of 2024. Keep in mind, before we get there, before we get to December 2024, we should have the Bitcoin halving. Of course, historically speaking, during the Bitcoin halving, we usually have a major run up as it relates to the price of Bitcoin, and then the altcoins follow suit, everything else that's not Bitcoin. So could 2024 be the next 2021? Could it be the next big bull run? Probably into 2025 as well, right? Because we're looking at the Bitcoin halving coming up right around the springtime, right around this time, essentially next year. But that Bitcoin halving event, usually there's a little bit of a delay until we really see the full effects, until we really see mass adoption and people getting interested, the mass media talking about Bitcoin. But this same trader has some price targets I want to bring to you here in this video. And according to this particular trader, not the only trader who thinks this, by the way, crypto in 2024 could get really bullish. We had a huge blow off top in 2021. We had the most adoption happen ever, and we could surpass that here in the next run. Right now, we're sitting at about 5% adoption. Things could get really interesting. So let's dive in here, waste no more time. Check this out. This particular trader, very popular crypto trader, accurately called Bitcoin's 2023 turnaround, is now predicting Bitcoin's next big cycle. He's forecasting for the end of 2024 into 2025. In a new interview on the Wealth 99 YouTube channel, trader Dave the Wave says the king crypto, Bitcoin, could reach, get this, 200,000 by the end of next year. Now, that sounds crazy. I know a lot of people would sign up for 100,000, but Dave the Wave is known for using logarithmic growth curves, which plot Bitcoin's long-term price action by estimating the tops and bottoms of multi-year market cycles. Why is this important? Because he's really zooming out and looking at longitudinal data here, not just looking at it from a very, month-to-month perspective, but we're looking at Bitcoin's price and his models from all the way back to 2010. He says December has traditionally been a good boom month, so that peak would line up at the end of the year. And the price, I don't know if it'll hit the top of that channel as it did previously. So I'm kind of thinking around 180,000. That's still 1,000% off the bottom. Realistically, if someone was buying in the buy zone here, that's still a 7x. That's pretty good for Bitcoin. That's a massive market cap. Now, what does that mean for other altcoins? Well, the potential there is even greater, right? But there's more risk associated with that as well. Remember that even with the correction, that price might come off, but the LGC curve is trending on the up. Dave the Wave says that he doesn't typically attempt to trade Bitcoin short-term moves, but remains confident on its longer-term cycles between the bottom and the top of the LGC channel. Currently, Bitcoin is exiting his buy zone. I just want to add that I can speculate about the direction of price. I'm more confident that price will stay in this channel without giving a specific track within that channel. The closely followed analyst flipped bullish on Bitcoin late last year when he said a historic indicator finally flashed green. Bitcoin now coming off those lows at around 15,500, 16,000, now trading right around 28,000 at the time of this writing, up about 70% since Dave the Wave made his call near the end of December 2022. We'll see if Dave the Wave is right again on his call for December 2024. And if you want to make sure you guys are locked in for more crypto information, make sure you subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.